Hey everybody, this is Justin and I am the Code Star. As promised in my last video, here's this new one. As you can see, I'm still working with my class with the dog and the cat. Um, this video is the expansion video on the last one that I did. Going to teach you how to turn this into a function, so that you don't have to keep doing that for every single class that you want to load into your construct. Um, so the way that I do it generally, and it varies on project to project, but this is one way that I do it. I would do public class equals array. And since we only have one array right now, I'm not going to break up the lines or anything. Alright, I probably will. Okay. So that is our public variable. Now, we can actually get rid of this. Okay, I'm going to save this and I'm going to go to that. And this is just going to show, will just show you that the changes that I'm doing do in fact work. Because right now it's telling us that we don't have the dog property and we don't have a function doggy. Okay, so in the construct you would do for each string this class as string val string class. Okay, string this string val equals string this load class string class classes. Okay, now what this is doing, if you've done PHP in the past, you know for each this a string as string val string class. Well, basically this portion then becomes string val and this portion becomes string class in this code. So in essence, basically what I'm writing is string this dog equals string this load class dog.class classes. Okay. Now we can save this and we'll actually see that we don't have a function named load class, and I've already written it, so I'm just going to paste it here. And here's what I've done. I've got just a regular function load class with the class in the directory automatically set to classes, because that's generally what I use. I create a static variable with underscore classes being an array. I first check to see if one of these classes has already been loaded, maybe somewhere else throughout the script. And if it has, I just return it. If it hasn't, we set the name to false. And this is for this check down here. Okay. Now we check to see if the file exists. So if file exists, directory, which is brought from this, the directory separator, the class .php, and then we explode it. Name equals explode on the dot, because generally your class name is going to be Like the actual name of the class would be such as my dog.class.php. Okay? That's the actual name of the class. But it looks like that. And that's how I do my naming. So you may have to change this function a little bit to work with what you do. So you explode the name of the file or class on the dot, and then you set the name with the first letter capital to the first iteration. We can then check to see if the class exists by using if class exists string name is false, then we require the directory class.php. Now, if after all of this name is still false, we couldn't find the class to load, so we need to exit. And then last but not least, here we create our iteration of that class. This is where we're initializing the class. And then we just return string classes. And I wish that wouldn't highlight like that. There we go. We return string classes, string class. Okay? So just to show you that that works, boom, there we go. Now, to show you this part of the code, I'm going to create one here that doesn't work. Unable to locate the specified class bird.class.php in directory classes. That is it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post on the video. If you have any comments, concerns, post on the video, post on my wall, or my channel. If you have any requests, post those on my channel, or send me a direct email at requests@thecodestar.com.